So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and as every day we are back with the market analysis video for all of you, and let's see what has happened in the market today and what are the expectations from the market for tomorrow. So before we start and analyze the intraday market or what has happened today, let's see, as the month of the March has been completed, so the candle of the March month has been completed. So let's see that candle on Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. How does they look? Let's start with the Bank Nifty and let's check out the monthly candle for the Bank Nifty, the latest monthly candle for the Bank Nifty. And here we can see that the February one was upper side rejection, and the second one was the 1st March 2021, means the March month candle. And here also we can see a little upper side rejection as well as a little lower side rejections, because the little bit of lower side rejections were there in the market because of the support that we have created on our shorter time frame. So those shorter time frames supports and resistance sometimes affects the larger time frame also. So the expectations is that these rejections are because of that only. But looking at this candles, the red one, it is a bearish candle. So after the upper side rejections, we have seen a bearish candle in the month of March. So outlook of the market is now becoming more bearer. It's moving towards the bearish side, as we can see that after this green candle which has upper side rejections, now we have a bear candle for the month of the March. So yeah, we are moving toward the bear side of the market. And now moving forward to analyze what happened in the market today, let's see the daily chart for the Bank Nifty, what has happened in the Bank Nifty today. And here is the Bank Nifty's candle. As we have discussed in our previous video, that the movement of the market will depend upon the opening on the closing of the market. This was the last candle, the 1st April candle, and as I have told you, if market opens a little low, then you can short the market. And as that thing has happened, we have shorted the market and market has fallen. So if anybody who is following our videos and have taken the recommendation from us, he must have short sold the market at 33,630 level, and the market has given a movement to 32,232. So it's almost 1,200-1,300 points movement. So it's a big movement. So our prediction was completely perfect, as anybody who has joined the party after seeing this, after watching our video, must have booked a good amount of profit. And moving forward to the expectations from the Bank Nifty for tomorrow, the expectations from the Bank Nifty from tomorrow is that this is the support. As I have told you, this is a good support for the Bank Nifty on the shorter time frame, which earlier was a resistance, now acting as a support, as we have talked about it earlier also. So here we can see that this candle, the today's candle, is a red one. Market was falling, still the prices have received rejection on the lower side. As you can see that the upper side wick of this candle is very small, but the lower side wick is quite big wick. So that's what we can say right now, is that market is still getting rejections at the support level, means that buyers are interested at this support level. The support level is acting very strongly for the Bank Nifty. As I have told you, if the market breaches out of this triangle, after that market is bearish. But for the market to be in full swing, full bear swing, this support needs to be breached. And again we have seen that today we have seen that the market have received rejection near this level. So for me, the expectations is that until unless market doesn't break down this support with a good volume, there will be another correction. We will be seeing another upside movement in the market. In the bear movement, the correction will be a bull move. So I am hoping that tomorrow again the same thing. If market opens gap up, then be long on the market, or if market opens gap down, or opening gap down means breaching this support. If opens gap down near the support level, then expectations will be of upside or the range move. But if market breaches this support level, then you can be completely short on the market. And for the clarification, we can also see the same thing on the hourly chart also of the Bank Nifty. Let's move to the hourly chart of the Bank Nifty. What has happened on the hourly chart of the Bank Nifty? So this is our first candle for today, and whatever I have told you in the last video, same thing has happened. If market opens gap down, short sell the market, and you can see this swing. Market has opened gap down. Anybody who has short sell the market here had tremendous profit in his demat account today. And you can see that again the last 5 candles made near the support zone. As I have told you, this is a very strong support, and bank, it will take a lot to breach down below this support level. And as we have seen, the last 5 candles are made on this support zone only. So this support is acting as a really strong one for the bank nifty. So now we have to wait and watch. We have to wait until unless bank nifty breaches this support. After that only we'll be short on the bank nifty. Until that we have to wait, we have to see, we have to watch what happens in the market. Now let's move to the nifty. What nifty has a story for us today? Let's check it out. So this is the Nifty 50 for us, and here is the today's first candle on the hourly chart. The expectations, as I have told you, from the Nifty 50 is also the same, that market opens gap down, short sell the market. If anybody who has short sold the market must have booked good profit, as market has fallen 1.54% today, Nifty 50. So a good movement from here, this level, as we can see, 14,850 something like that, and the bottom is this 14,462. So 4,500 movement is a good movement in the Nifty 50 on a daily basis. And then again you can say that market has tried a good correction, a bull move. 3 bullish candles were made, but again this EMI has acted as a resistance for the market, and market has received rejections over here. So again this is an important level for the Nifty 50 also. So now the bank nifty expectations are very clear in front of all of you. Now let's discuss about the expectations from the Nifty 50 tomorrow. So I am hoping again the same thing is that market will be in a little bull move. Market can be in a little bull move if it breaks above this EMI where it has received rejection today. If it breaks above this EMI, then on the intraday basis tomorrow we can see a little bull move from the Nifty 50. Otherwise there will be a range movement or again a bear move in the market. I am expecting that. Let's see what has happened on the daily time frame for the Nifty 50. Let's check it out. So yeah, again as we can see that on the daily time frame it tells a different story. The formation the Nifty 50 was making on our daily time frame, as you can see, this red line, this neckline of this M pattern will act as a support for the Nifty 50. We have discussed this before also. For Nifty 50 to be completely in bear swing, Nifty 50 have to break down below this. And as we can see that as the prices are getting near to this support level, again we have seen rejections in the market. Here are some good rejections in the market. So again the expectations are very clear, are very same. The Nifty 50 again coming to the support zone means that this support is still valid, this pattern is still valid. We still have to look out for this level. So for me, Nifty 50, I have told you on the hourly basis will decide for the Nifty 50's tomorrow's fate. If Nifty 50's hourly chart breaks above that EMI, as we have seen this EMI breaks above this EMI, then I am expecting a little bull move. Otherwise a range move, or market will try to go through this support level. Again we'll be seeing a bear swing. So these are the expectations. And as the month has ended, let's see what kind of candle the Nifty 50 has formed on our monthly chart. And we can see that this is a complete candle of indecision. After rejections here, we have received a candle of indecision, a red candle. So yeah, Nifty 50 is also looking very bearish on the monthly basis also, everyone. So yeah, the thing is that when we have the larger time frame view bearish, then if we are expecting some kind of bull move on our shorter time frame, then we should ignore that. And if we have a view of bear swing in our longer time frame, and the same kind of thing we are witnessing on the shorter time frame as well, then we can go with that. Then we can expect that yeah, this kind of thing will happen. So yeah, these are the expectations, very clear that the market is looking bearish, bank nifty and nifty both. And what are the expectations for tomorrow have been completely and clearly communicated to all of you. So do watch out for those levels. Now let's see what has happened to the different indices in the market. So as we can see that almost all the indices were in red today. Complete fall. Nifty IT again performed well, and rest all were in red, as you can see that. these are strategy indices, sectoral indices. So Bank Nifty was almost 3.48% down. So this is a huge fall for the Bank Nifty also. And as we can move towards now our daily performers, losers and gainers. Let's start first with the gainers. Who are the gainers today? So HCL Tech was a gainer. First gainer, 3.19% gain. TCS, Wipro, Britannia, Infosys. So again we can see that this all these IT companies, and here we can see that the one sectorial indices which were in good green, 1.97% again was the Nifty IT, and here we can see some good IT companies performing well. And the losers for today was Bajaj Finance, IndusInd Bank, SBI and Eicher Moto, M&M, Bajaj Auto, ICICI Bank, ITC and Axis Bank and HDFC. So now let's see what are the stocks to watch out for tomorrow. So first stock that I have picked for everyone is HCL Tech. Let's see what is happening in the HCL Tech. Okay, where is HCL Technologies? Here it is. So this is the HCL Tech, the stock of the HCL Tech, and for me it is on the daily basis also. You can see that it is trying to go in an uptrend as right now. So what I am expecting is that it has given a good bull move right now. So what I am hoping is that two things possible in this stock. So if market for this stocks particularly open gaps up, or the first hour sustains above the closing of this or above the body of this candle, then you can be long. Otherwise you can be short with having a target near to the EMA. So these are the expectations from the HCL Tech. Now the another stock that we have picked for everyone is one from the losers we have picked, and that's IndusInd Bank. So yeah, this is the IndusInd Bank. As you can see on the daily basis, here it is breaking down below its EMA, losing on a losing streak. So yeah, if market somehow opens above the EMA, this EMA line tomorrow, then be long on the market for intraday purposes. Let's see it on the hourly chart. Yeah, here it is. Here it is on the hourly chart. So yeah, it is trying to go to the near its EMA. So again, this is the candle for today. The market is opened gap down, and then we have seen a good fall. So similar expectations as the last candle was of indecision. If market opens gap up or gap down, you can accordingly go long or short on this stock also. But one thing is very important, and that is the volume. The volume candle here is really important. Look at here, the market has opened gap down with a huge volume. You can see that the market has fallen for a good amount. Similarly, again the indecision candle here, the last candle, if market opens gap up or gap down with a good volume, go long and short accordingly. So I hope everybody has completely understood what we were trying to communicate about the Bank Nifty and these particularly stocks. So guys, if you have gained something from this videos, then don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Do support us by subscribing to our channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our daily upload. So thank you so much for watching once again, everyone.